How you doing? It's bad boy Thuga over there in the building. Welcome back to a bad new series. You don't know, so we're there. Hey, that one epic. Check out that one. Skip the video and go watch. Subscribe. Everything. Let you know. Press the notification bell. Everything is you done? Alright, someone want to go over KIERA'S fashion. Buy everything over there. Everything. Share on page. Buy everything. And come back and watch a movie. You see me, so go over KIERA and Thuga. No, go over KIERA TV to some bad movie or drop over there. And bad movie series start over there. I'm watching. Midnight. You fool, man. Watch ya. If you don't subscribe. See Daniel, Daniel. The new star. The new star. No? So watch you know, check out the page. Like and share and subscribe. Drop a comment. Because I want you to lick. Remember. Alright, yo. Yo, around a mic yard, me go over there to go take to I egg them. Yeah. But he dog beat up. And me say me run come round and say dog, yo, so we have to say. Come on, me chat. Come on. Go up, girl. Yo, what are you doing today?
You can go thief on bicycle.
Bicycle? Where you get bicycle from?
You know one boy named Beanie we have one bicycle on this.
Beanie? You know
Beanie little short boy, little short and black boy we have a red bicycle live on this.
No. Alright, come show me.
Come. Brother, why don't you know one named Beanie?
You know one named so.
His mother named Miss Jen.
Miss Jen?
And
we have the phone call brown and stuff?
Yeah.
Come on then. Right there, sir?
Yeah, roll your phone. Yeah, roll your phone.
Everybody here saying, my name can go last,
Yeah, but you know me. You believe me, because one boy see bicycle. Yeah, see. Tell us see bicycle, then I better go TV. Yeah, nobody knows.
Look if you're supposed to come on.
What you know, come on.
You sure?
Yes, my boy going to school.
I'm asking. You know, put on this.
Yeah.
Suppose you lock you up. You sure them I didn't do that? Me no want to take the people in. You laugh, brother, stop laugh with me now.
And them said nobody don't do that.
Come on. Come no want nobody come take me from there.
No, come on.
Go on, no,
Come on, boy. Take that too long, okay?
what you do that? Sit down for an IC. Then you IC kill Mr. Mass post.
But me no puss. I'm in a
Don't sit
stomach.
down for an IC.
No.
You're dead. Don't
Put
sit
it
down.
back up. That-
Alright, if you drop off right, you know, you want to sit down for it. You told me?
Yeah.
Come on.
Go for the bicycle, mate?
Come sit down, sir.
No.
Oh.
Sideways. Sit down the sideways.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, boy.
We
You
have-
drop me now.
No, I'm just come off, man.
You can't ride. Come on. You can't ride bed.
You make it look like I can't do no better.
Come.
Me never come now, make you go kill me off.
Me can't ride.
No, you walk. Come on.
Sit down. Come now.
Me now come, you deaf?
You see how I thief bicycle now and I'm riding with you. Come.
And me know where you can go drop me.
Me not drop it. Swear. Look. Swear. Swear.
Yeah, my business with you, swear.
If you drop you, I'm giving my mother apple them over here. Come. See? You want apple? Come.
Man, no one up for you.
Come now. Me not drop you. This is a brake, right?
Yeah.
This is a back brake.
No, this is about me.
So squeeze this, you move.
Yeah.
Oh. So now move.
Can the bicycle idiot, yo? Fool like.
Still up to teach me. Alright. Oh shit. Alright. So this I'm going to steer with.
Yeah, they two sitting here.
Oh.
Too much money.
Hold on, good, you know.
God.
I want to take first, you know. Wait.
Yo, me not come.
Wait, no. I chew me in a balance.
Ride the bicycle if you ride the bicycle. You want to go come and go
Put
drop
up,
me.
put up, you know. Wait. I'll do me one stone on the ice. Come right on the flat. I chew that for eat and run.
Is it any you can go drop me?
No, I'm drop you. You see, I remember saying that get apple.
No. I want my bicycle gone. My PAT's there on here, man.
Boy, you never hear me now, Kakado. Yo, where the farm man? Where do?
Road.
What?
The road.
You put your bed with? Make me a one, I want to be there time, you know. Me know that problem, so you see if you go give problem, you head back down your mother here. That country. Go go shop with I see if you look the breakfast. You said you have to look by breakfast. You said you have to go around with dirty foot Thuga and dirty foot Daniel. So you know them two bad breed boy there. You hear what I'm saying? If you ever out of road and I go catch you out there, I ramp with them, you go know. You go know which God you serve and which brother you see. And get one back, coming on your back. So you go. Rub it from the sheep white.
How are you? Them who? Sorry, if you're in a brother, shop me I go for my auntie. Me can't help you right now.
It's probably like up by there. Oh, come on.
You know, she say, it's a boss.
What?
It's a boss.
But we don't know money to buy no new one. They bomb bad.
You feel so?
Music. No, what you get neither? No bicycle they again. Are you what is that big head?
Don't tell a lie for me.
Are you did that blood? Take your head that.
Which bicycle we are talking about? Oh,
We not, I don't
bicycle me are talking
Me
about.
not
Tire
talk about
bus.
no bicycle.
Oh, bossy, a bicycle me are not talking about. Which bicycle?
Can't talk about no bicycle.
Him and bicycle. I
Him
want to
and
thief man
bicycle.
bicycle.
No, him.
Oh no, which man? I want to thief boy bicycle. Boy, me see nothing bicycle. Oh no.
Him. You see him man walk away? Him. You see how that's him?
Him say bicycle over my boy yard. He want a sharp boy and he go feed and show me. Oh, so I want to ditch man bicycle now. Oh no, me not ditch no bicycle.
Come in, I don't know no bicycle.
I want to thief man bicycle and ditch. I know me thief no bicycle, I him thief bicycle and left it down the so and bust the tire.
Boy, tell her that for me, you the big heavy self come bust the man tire. I'm going to tell Miss Jen, say you thief him boy, his son bicycle, watch.
Oh, so no thief man bicycle, punch it and left it a road.
You know me?
I know me thief man bicycle. Okay, I want to thief man bicycle and
I know me?
okay. Okay. Come here.
What tell Miss Jen, say you
Come
thief
here.
his son
Come here.
bicycle, watch.
Come here. Come here. Chat too much. Come on.
What are you telling my boy me thief bicycle? Are you telling my boy me thief bicycle and punch her?
Minutes run the boy, no. Hey, you trying to make me cook? See if you ever go to some stuff where they are ramp with 30 foot and bad boy. I didn't even know 30 foot daddy and a bad boy took. I didn't care me and him.
Punch on my bicycle. I can't believe this here.
Why? Warm here. Make it look so.
Then we keep the bicycle and punch her.
And then punch her?
Yeah.
The damn right here get too much trouble. Look here. Tell her that she had 2 weeks so she not giving a part of money. I'm go kick her out of her partner and take the money when she have. Make sure she go tell her Them punch your bicycle, you look whenever you them punch. Go on done. Done right through. Where you come from? You said that shop done this so. Boy, you're wrong. What's up?
No piece of shop up there, some try again.
You tell us that you go done this so.
Stop this thing and say, I don't know this or something.
Make sure you say that 32 point and Thuga. And then you're going to go around. Where the shop? Out of that, you should have take 15 more minutes longer.
This alone, you're hard now.
$500 for this week, and she knows she has 2,000 every week. That yeah, it's alright, it's alright. Me I want to look at breakfast. Go and go to school for every day. That woman, man. You see, but your mother cook some good food in the man.
Which mother? Some mother there say you?
But we smell some
What
good
cook
food in
over
there.
there? You smell too much.
But don't we smell too much, I
You
mean,
don't have no food over there?
you
No,
know, we can get
I
some.
tap it, we won't fix back my bicycle.
We not feel, we no bicycle.
Tap, tell
Tell
people
us
so.
so. That me I say, stop telling
Brother,
people
the man
something.
all go tell people and say how to mash up the bicycle, brother.
And how you do it? You do it.
I mean, wait.
If somebody feel him know about him, you don't know about it.
See you tell like for me again? That look, you ride it other day. If you never see a pan go, yeah,
Where you see me never go part of the bicycle for the day me see it.
You don't know food never can give you none.
What happened now, my auntie not like, you know, so if you come out of course, so no
I'm
problem.
not afraid of auntie.
That-
I'm not afraid of
that me I say big head auntie.
bad man. Me
Walk
not afraid
in.
of nobody.
Walk
Yeah,
in.
Big head auntie too.
Yeah, auntie, the same thing.
Walk in.
God, see man. Go, hurry up, man. Go. Go. You make me here give no problem. See, said thing.
Boy, but I'm just gonna make a nice one not to say, you know.
Yeah, we don't make no nice.
Walk in. Boy, look how long me I call you. You know what I say?
Just sit down and say, you know, I'm just get up.
Yeah, man. So I out there talk to yourself, you're bad.
People hear me talk to myself more and see something.
Yeah, look up like cheese.
Come think me here one bird, come there.
Boy. What's with you? Come here, son. Yeah, come here, son. You hungry?
No.
If you want something, you give money to that shop. Now go in, you can go wash your plate last week, and I go milk for that time, and I tell you last time. Because she has to stay. So, I don't know business you want to do, but before I left, I sit down for your grandmother, you go collect your father money for the whole life family member, them up there, whole life tea for family member, they way up there.
Shit, not far for the box, still and still.
What's that?
Nothing. Alright, think gone now, you can come now. Are you poop?
You're bright.
can poop someone. Everybody going poop.
Are you gonna go for the wanga lele then?
You shut up, man, it's too on one cut up.
Chill and
No, but you're not chat too loud.
Brother, Oh, if you tell your mother,
Say.
your auntie say you're not hungry.
I will tell you if you call it little
You have
food, make we
said
get some.
Take time and talk, man, because I'm not hungry.
Go take your money then and come go shop go buy some food we eat.
I'm hungry. I want to go that I think.
Oh, green house go take out your money?
You just food over going in your house.
You probably in your bathroom.
If I go in there, I get a frying pan. Come on, come on. Tell us I'm hungry. I see you.
You pray take your money and go buy some make we eat.
Come on. Hunger got beer.
Can't go out. Yeah. Oh, thank God. You think that I was going to make cheese? I join me, I join me, you know. I try to go in and eat them. And try me always put my bed in front of anything. You know, tell us if you stop playing with them bad boy, Thuga and dirty foot that deal.
Who you see that tree? A bird did in that tree.
Boy.
You tell us a bird did in that tree.
Why the cake can't stop power with them boy? Eh?
That's what we are talking about. Bird did in that tree.
You're right, guy. Two of them are two thieving bird. Boy, go down up your grandmother. I leave that bad again the money. Go down. Make sure you come back here. Yeah. Go down.
Okay. Come sit down and sit down. Don't go eat.
No.
I'm hungry, dog.
Money.
Let's see. Some baklava Miss Sally. And then we can change it.
Oh, yeah, you can go keep them up.
Come on. Come on. How much one back?
It's supposed to $30 or $40.
Alright. 3, 6, and 9. So, you can take 12 though.
Yeah.
Alright, so. Come on.
Why? You see, man, I like about you say, I'm going to grandmother with one bag. I say, what in the bag? Yeah, say, I'm going to grandmother. Alright then. Alright. Yeah. Alright. But wait, you could give me a bills. I'm going to forget bills from figure. The things that why I got away with?
And you look here inside senior and your grandmother and you come back. You look here down there, better go on. You get some lick. He said if you ever catch you,
But man, I get lick boy,
man get lick, you go sit to there.
I want to, man.
Come on.
Yeah?
You want some bad man, I get lick. Get lick.
Bad man. Where boy?
Up my grandmother.
To lie. The walk man up at the whole place like an idiot. When the whole place I look for you till all the blows get sweat up, me have to change. Because I remember me did not go for my daughter and they have to turn back and remember say that no key. I want to know if I was stay up with your grandmother or I was stay so we can know if I left the key. I mean I look for you. They have to do it so.
I hope them did there. And you never come there.
I will come over your grandmother for.
You send me up there and I hope them go.
I said up there for collect keep on the job. I never expect to see I will stay forever ever. Okay, I can go where we are going now. I don't want to come back here and see you and they crossing the border. You can't go that way? Lock the door. No.
Ooh. And the girl. Tired.
I'm going to kick back here.
Make sure.
So, you know, nothing in the heat.
Every time you come here, I wanga. No better.
You sure?
Who know if you have food in the yard? Everybody have food in the yard.
No, no need that.
Listen, I'm come up here and ask you if you have food in the
I
yard.
have no need.
You have food in there.
I
I lie myself. I'm seeing my dog supermarket. Yes, study.
No, I have food.
It will lie, me see your mother go to supermarket. Yes, study. She come back with 2 big grocery bags.
And then your mother is deaf.
Well, your auntie, everyone be you. Come back with 2 big grocery bags. 2 lies. So, you remember that yesterday?
You play one game. So, yeah, we play hide and seek.
No.
Yeah, you are in. Alright, put it in your foot. Where you go?
Ready.
Alright. In a minute, man, the moon catch down to you, eat that food, you.
What? What I want to go?
I don't know that
I
too.
knew one. Look, put your foot. Dip. Oh, in a foot. Oh, dip, dip. Yeah. Are you at it? Ready now, you are count. Sit down right this one. 1 to 50. Are they ready? Lock your eye, man. Lock your eye tight. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Done soon already, brother. I'm saying to just come down and done, brother. Done soon already, brother.
I don't want to see bird.
Alright. Domo. Now come down. Hey!
Oh, so what you have to do for you?
It's your way to put one of my pants, man.
Yeah, my expensive slippers.
Look there. You tell us when you see and you move like an idiot. But bird. You can't play a game with them.
That piece, go and wet me up.
You want to keep on having you want to put now my mother will kill me.
That piece, I'm not going to get peeled now.
Oh, I'm going to suppose you with the water. I'm going to get would that kill me. One hit dead and dead.
We are doing my bucket. I'm water here. We are so come around here, so we say we are talking to you. Come here, so. Yeah, so. Come here, so. You let me get mad. Come here, so, boy. Yes, I'm back to your father. Because we don't know what. Daddy and bad boy took at the tube because each other to them, so. Eh? You have feelings for them?
What kind of argument that?
So I make you can't tap here so I make them bad boy they come in my yard. Go find something. And I make a pack of bag and send it back up here, man. I send it back up here, man. I have big man and a ram prop with boy. Look how big and a ram. You don't get me out of fire. No, you are. No, you are. Tell them all why. Tell them still why.
Yo, I got beach. Come we go beach and make my pants dry.
Yeah, come on.
I'm pants wet.
Come on.
Yo, this is stone.
Yeah, brother. Come on. Boss.
Listen, let me not hate them boys in the yard. 1 week. 1 week I tell up your grandmother. Every evening, carry on everybody partner money. Come down and come give me. Tell them say me Sally say send down my partner money. Come give me. You hear what I say?
Yeah.
One. I ain't on you like bad because come back up like I need too much plastic sugar. I'm not saying I'm this here. And that's why I'm in the house right now. I'm sorry, say make up for your card. This is a wrong time in town. Nobody make me them part of money when we can borrow and buy something. Wrong with me, I do me some close to that, but I have no better. So one after that, if nobody give me them part of money, buy some groceries. I mean tell them say the rest of people never bring them part of home, no bring it, so they can't enjoy. But I don't know if I go, because they go on a couple of backside. You alright?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Alright. We're going to go. You guys eat out here, so.
Yes.
Alright, you can come.
Yo, we are going to swim.
If you are going to swim,
Me have 1, 2 shots, you know? Me have my shot, so where your shots if we go swim?
okay. Oh, so one day.
I feel that weird.
Yeah.
You know, hook for you and put your hand. Hold this. Make sure you're not done and put it up.
Yeah.
Take off the stuff.
Your man is fit.
Peter,
Yeah.
see your size. We are going to school. Alright, Joseph?
Yeah.
You better stay up yourself. Because we can't save you. We can't save you. Stay up yourself.
You don't want to stay up.
Stay up.
Nah, stay up there.
We just fuck you up. Stay up yourself.
Walk up.
Stay up yourself. Mom, yes.
Look, the gas is top.
Boy, say stay up, you see why you're near John? Stay up, that's why I tell you.
What?
Look, you see what me tall and you. Stay up there. Ah, boy, me tell you. You see when you go to the beach again, stay eye shallow. What me say if you do?
Stay eye shallow.
You love come out of deep like say you're big, you can't swim, you can't this. Stay eye shallow. You see how me I swim and me I go so. And me I swim. Eh?
I can't be saying man, teeth me slippers and put them on the beach.
You're lucky you get back suppers. Can me tell you? I'm lucky you not tip my stepfather one too. Well, me I come go over my yard.
Yeah.
Cause wash them stepfather shoes them.
Yeah.
So when me I say back, you go to school tomorrow?
No.
Done school, you go to school. School, foolish. You have to come hustle and pick mango with you. You come?
I think about it, man.
Alright, tell me tomorrow then, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Where you come over my yard?
No, we're not.
Where you yard? So people, you reach the end of the movie. You can see say it was a good one, right? So watch out. Now watch the movie, them like, share and subscribe. Read the blog, no nothing like your blues. Remember people, if you want to donate, we need a mic. Hear it nice in the background of all over. We need a mic, so if you want to donate to the number in the description. And remember, we're in Westmoreland and we need some actors. You understand? If you can come 2 times, 3 times a week, it don't matter. You understand? So we need a act. Who does say why? Don't do that when you hear me on the camera. Hear that now. So watch it. We need some actors to act. Actors and actresses. You understand? Remember, and go over to KIERA'S Fashion. Check them out. Buy everything over there. Go over to KIERA TV. Remember, watch Unbearable Pain. That is an epic series over there. Leak. Boop, boop. So watching the people. If you don't subscribe again, me I tell you, subscribe to KIERA and Thuga TV. Like the video, comment down in the description. We out.